In this video, we are going to create a creative thumbnail in Snapseed. It's very awesome to create and very easy to create. Here you can get more than 20 plus thumbnail skills. It's free and no one are there. Click the plus icon, it will take to your gallery and choose the image which you want to edit. And click the pencil icon to edit and go to text and add some text. Here you can see more than many fonts which you want to take, have many styles also, and edit with your text. After editing the text, just adjust it. Choose a color and you will get view edits. Go to it and add some text and edit. From second button you will get a red surface. Erase the text in the body. After erasing, click the tick button. Do your editing which you want. Editing, click the export button to export.